happen to like contemporary lighting. You can illuminate your home in a creative way with innovative fixtures from all over the world. This light was inspired by a creator in Copenhagen, Denmark. I saved an agave container because it fit the cloche that I was going to turn into contemporary lighting. The top of the container was cut off. I'm so sorry I don't have the footage of that process, but it was done with scissors and an X-Acto knife. So you need to be very careful not to cut yourself. The supplies that you will need: then you can glue the container, and then you can hot glue it to the container to the bottom of the cloche. Also, a part which I did not show all of it, I took a metal star because I needed some bendable metal pieces. So I cut 3 pieces of metal and bent them to fit on the side of the bottle. It would also hold the top of the cloche. I used rubber bands to hold the metal pieces in place until I could glue them to the sides. Now, the other things that the rubber band allows you to do is place them evenly around, and it also helps you to measure to make sure that they're pretty equal and that the cloche will not be lopsided. I used a stick and put a tick mark on it, and then I used that to measure all around to make sure, and then with the rubber bands on there I could easily move it. After you hot glue them, and I also used a little bit of E6000, it was time to paint them. So I used ultra matte black paint, and this is paint that from Rust-Oleum that can be used to spray plastics. I sprayed the bottom of the cloche and the agave container all black. Now paint the cloche frosted glass, and that is so that the light would be able to show through. Then after they were dry, I brought them back in. I attached the puck light to the top of the agave container, and then once all of that was dry, then you apply your top of the cloche. That would be your shade to the other parts. And I think it is so cool. It looks modern, it looks contemporary, maybe even a little vintage vibe. It is beautiful, and you can style it any kind of way. You can use it as maybe a little ambient lighting in your home in places that may be a little dark, especially in the evening. If you like what you have seen today, please like, comment, save, and subscribe. In addition, you can follow me on Instagram at Z9Designs. Thank you. Have a lovely day.